Gusto ka og steady nga income nga walay hassle? Stick around kay naakoy sikreto nimo. One of the best benefits sa real estate kay nagani siya ability to generate passive income for you. Whether you're renting out a property in the city or sa mga turista sa Panglao or sa Boracay, pwede ka makadawat og steady income aning mga tenant. Imagine, pwede ka makakuha good as low as 4,000 to 12,000 to 20,000 per night on platforms like Airbnb. So, here are the 3 steps para maka-generate kang passive income with your real estate. First is invest in high-demand areas. Properties near tourist destinations or city centers have strong rental demand. Daghan kay mangita og property dyan. Kadua, list on platforms like Airbnb. Short-term rentals give higher returns, especially during peak seasons. And third, reinvest the rental profits. Gamiton nimo imong income gikan sa rental para mag-invest pa og more property. Diba? Dali kay real estate investing, no? Para makakat-on pa kag real estate investing, you need to check the link in my bio or follow me for more.